Hmm, I see some boats heading towards our locations. Oh, I see, it's the pirates. Please evacuate the passengers and secure the ships with wires. So you guys know about my topic. It's the piracy in modern maritime world. In this picture, I got this from the movie Captain Phillips, where you see this guy is the pirate and this guy is the captain. This guy pointing his gun towards the captain. They are negotiating with the captains, and the captains must follow their orders to secure their safety. In this situation, the pirates wants the resources in exchange of the ships and captain's safety. So they talk about changing. They want the resources, foods, or whatever resources are available on the ship in exchange of the safetyness and lives of the people on board. Most of the time, the pirates wants ransom in exchange of their previous hostages. They want money to exchange for a people's life or a one people life. One people life. Here, on the second picture, you can see the pirate hotspots or piracy hotspots. Uh, Piracy uh, mostly happen on Somalia, Indonesia, and Malaysia, and in many more places in the world, and many more countries in the world. The reason and types of modern piracy. The common reason and types of modern piracy. First, the robbery. Why robbery? Because pirates hijack the ships and they want resources, they want everything, they took everything from the ships. Second, terrorism. Why terrorism? Because terrorism happens when the pirates killed the innocent civilians, people, and raid other countries. Lastly, the poverty. Poverty is the main reason why some people chose to be pirate because of the lack of financial needs and resources, food. Uh, and because poverty in their country and the government won't support their country, they do piracy. Uh, that's all. Thank you for listening. I hope you guys learn and I interest your thoughts. Thank you.